I'm actually going to be doing a video probably within the next month of all of the stuff that I've ordered during quarantine, whether it be probably obviously not my necessary stuff, what baby wipes, I mean, you're probably not interested in that, but just all the crazy stuff that I decided that I needed while I was locked in the house for months on end. So, hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Jamie B. Thanks for stopping by. So in today's video, I'm going to be opening or unboxing this $100 eBay mystery box full of makeup. I've seen a lot of people on here do this and I've just really wanted to try it, and I've never been like, okay, I'm gonna do it, because I'm always nervous that I'm gonna get like either counterfeit stuff or like just a bunch of crap makeup that I don't want. So I went and I did a lot of searching, and I found a girl or a seller on there who she said it was all high-end brands, whatever, and so that's the one I got. It was $100. I don't know how much it's worth. I've opened the box so I can show you guys, but I haven't opened the product, so I don't really know. So if you are excited to see what I got in my $100 makeup mystery box from eBay, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button at the bottom of this video and we'll get right into it. Alright, so I will have to say, so it was $100, $6 for tax, and I think I paid a few dollars for shipping or something, I don't remember. I will say that this seller was really awesome, and I'll go ahead and put her name right here because I don't remember it at the moment. So if you guys like it, then you can go check her out, and she has more boxes. She messaged me after I ordered it and was like, hey, you know, I'm gonna ship it out on Monday because I ordered it on a Friday. And she's like, you know, what kind of brands are you looking to get? And so that I thought was pretty awesome. I could tell her like brands that I'm really into, but I decided not to do that. I did respond back to her and let her know, you know, just kind of put whatever in there. As long as it's high-end, it's not crap crazy like Wish makeup, then I'll be fine, because I was doing it for my YouTube channel. So I didn't want to make it branded to me because I wanted it to be a full surprise. So I'm gonna go ahead in here and take a peek at what we got. So it is all pretty wrapping. Oh my gosh, like little spring colors, little pastel moment. So, and just as an update on the Dyson hair straightener, if you haven't seen that video or that review, I'll put it right up here. I am returning it. It is in the box. I have to ship it back to Ulta because none of their stores are open in my area, so I can't, my hair is a mess. So I can't take it into the store to return it, but I'm not about to wait until they open. Like, it was $500. I want my money back because I hated it. So go ahead and check that video out so you can see for yourself. And anything in here that I don't either care for or is not for me or whatever, I'm gonna put in that big giveaway that I am currently collecting stuff for, and we'll go over what is in there so far at the end of this. So the first thing I open, oh, it has a card in here for Jamie. Heart. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Okay, I like her already. This is cute. Let's just hope she didn't give me a bunch of crap. So it says thank you. Says, hi Jamie, I just wanted to say thank you so much for your purchase. I hope you love and enjoy all of the items in your Prestige Beauty Mystery Box. Underneath the products, I included a product information sheet for you. I put it at the bottom so I didn't spoil the surprise. Once you have opened and inspected your package, it would be so appreciative if you could leave me feedback on eBay. Thank you so much again, and stay safe. XOXO. And then her name. I'm not gonna put her name because her seller name isn't the same as her actual name, obviously. I think that is super cute that she did that, and super sweet. Like, she's been a really good seller, and honestly, if I like it, I'll probably purchase again from her, because just the fact that she reached out to me and then that card, that's so sweet. All right, so tissue. So this looks like a award-winning Benefit Smoother Than Smooth. I don't know what this is. Pour Me. I think this is a makeup bag because it has a zipper here, so I'm gonna go ahead and open it and see if there's, oh, there are goodies in here. So there are some little samples. So this is the Tarte Base Tape Hydrating Primer, and I love that because this is one of my favorite primers. I have the big one in my drawer. And then I got a Jeffree Star Pop Socket, which is gonna go, it's an orange one, it's gonna go into the giveaway because I don't really, I don't need a pop socket. We'll just leave it at that. And then, this is just a MAC lipstick card. Oh. And we have a Donkey Milk Sleeping Mask from So AE. And then just some more, it looks like some more samples here. So Bare Minerals Vital Power Infusion, and then a Tatcha the Dewy Skin Cream sample as well. So those were samples. I don't really need another makeup bag, so this is going to also be going into the giveaway, but I think it's really cute and it opens up like a little milk carton, so that is really cute. So we're gonna put, over here is the giveaway, over here is I'm keeping. So I have this really big one and I obviously know it's a palette of some sort. I'm gonna open her up. Okay, this is Zoeva Cafe palette. So this is a eyeshadow palette. Oh, that's pretty. It's very like chocolatey, coffee-like. Okay. I don't think I have any, that was weird. All this stuff just came out of it. I don't think I have any Zoeva palettes at all, actually. Ooh, okay, so it's definitely not the colors I thought it was gonna be from the packaging, but I love that. That is so pretty. My gosh, the no added spice, micro roasting, and this is so funny because this is like definitely my jam right now. I've become basically a at-home Starbucks barista. I've ordered everything from eBay to make all of their drinks, or at least all the drinks that I like from them. And so I'm a big fan. All right, I'm gonna go, I don't wanna look at, this is the paper I think it is that has the stuff on it. I'm gonna look up the prices instead of looking on that because I don't want to ruin what's in it. Okay, so this palette retails for $28, so that's cool, and I am keeping that one. What is that in here? Oh! Sorry, trigger warning. This is gonna be hectic. I should probably be careful because it's makeup. My husband, he does all like the cleaning up and stuff after I do my videos, so he's gonna hate me. So this is the Pure 4-in-1 Correcting Primer. And it doesn't have the little sticky on it. So this, I have this one from my BoxyCharm, but it definitely came with a sticky. So I'm not going to use that one, and I'm not gonna do it as a giveaway just because it's been opened. I believe it says online that it retails for $28, but my BoxyCharm said it was $17, so I think this is a smaller amount than what I'm seeing online. But it is a pretty nice primer, and I really wish I could have given it away because I do have one, but I just don't want to risk it. So that one's gonna be set there, and then we're gonna move on to the next one. I wonder if it's just like all BoxyCharm stuff that I'm getting, because that's kind of what I'm thinking I've been getting. Alright, so the next item was the Iconic London Illuminator in the original, and I did get this one actually this month in my BoxyCharm, so I'm not going to open this up. I'm going to put it in the giveaway because I do not need two of them. I don't use enough loose highlighter to go through it like that, and that retails for what's online is saying $36. So let's see what else is in here. Yeah. Oh, ooh, I don't have this. Yeah, you can tell it's from BoxyCharm because it doesn't have a unicorn, which is kind of weird. But this is the Celestial Thunder by Dominique Cosmetics. And this is an eyeshadow palette. I'm really super excited to get this because I don't have any of her products, and I think it's really pretty. That is so pretty. I love this color and this color a lot. So I'm gonna be keeping that one, and here's the front of it if I didn't show it. I have none of her brands, so I'm excited to really try that eyeshadow out and see how it goes. Okay, so on BoxyCharm's website, it retails for $35. I believe that the original palette is $44, and you get 4 more eyeshadows. So this one is, I guess, a miniature version of the Celestial Storm. So hey, $35, and it's a new brand that I haven't tried, so that's good. See what else is in here. Brow Bar True Brow Makeover Kit by Rima. Okay, and this says True Glam Brow Makeover Kit Dark. Oh, okay, so it is So it's eyeshadow palette, it's eyeshadow powders, a lighter one, a darker one, and then what looks like a concealer. So, and that's kind of perfect for my eyebrow color, and it also comes with a brush and then eyebrow gel. So in this cute little thing, I am gonna keep that. I'm super excited to try that. See how much that was. Oh my god. So this is Kylie Jenner High Gloss Always Shining. Let me see if I have that one. Okay, so I do not have this one, so that is super exciting. It is a Kylie High Gloss, and this one is the color Always Shining. Okay, and it just looks like it's like a clear. Most of that, it's a clear glitter. So most of them come clear, the Kylie glosses. They have sparkles in them that make it look like they're different colors, but honestly they're all pretty clear and just shimmery and pretty. So I'm just gonna look at this paper so I can find it. All right, that's $16 for the Kylie gloss, and for the eyeshadow it was $30. So the next item I have is a Stila Glitter and Glow, and this is in the Ballet Baby shade. I have a couple of these, so I'll have to see if I have this one. So it is this pretty baby pink shimmer. Okay, so this color I do not actually have, so I'm gonna go ahead and give her a swatch. It's just like a topper, this one is. Most of them are pretty thick and very pigmented. This one's kind of just sheer. There's that one, I like that. Now I've got glitter all over my hands. All right, so let's look into this guy. I love that she took the time to like just wrap all these super cute. Okay, so I also have this palette, which is another BoxyCharm palette. It is the Ace Beauty Vintage Dawn palette. I do have this one. So she's gonna go in the giveaway as well. And she is $34.99. Now, I'm not upset that I have the stuff, because the problem is when you have as much makeup as I do, it's very, very understandable that I'm gonna get stuff that I already have, and especially if it's like BoxyCharm stuff that they're putting in these boxes. I am subscribed to BoxyCharm, so it's very common. I'm not upset. I wish that it wasn't something I already have, but it just is. So this is the Living in Color palette from Hank and Henry, and I have it right here. So this one is mine. I just haven't put it away. I put a pile of brand new makeup so I can inventory it for my for insurance purposes. So I still had it over there from my other BoxyCharm. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the giveaway as well. Looks like our giveaway pile is racking up. So what is next? Ooh, Becca Camilla. This is a gloss. A very, very pink gloss. I don't know if I want to open it. Yeah, go ahead. All right, so coming down to the last three items in here. I got a lot of stuff, I feel like. Ooh, Dose of Colors Liquid Matte Lipstick in Date Night. So the Becca Cosmetics lip gloss retails for $22, and the Ace Beauty, I don't know if I said it was $34.99, and the Hank and Henry is $27. And then we have Dose of Colors, which is $18, and is this very, very pretty red. Oh my god, she is red. Yes. Okay, I love this. This is probably like one of my favorite items. All right, so two more items. So this is a Kylie Jenner gloss, and this is the Literally one, and this is her original, the three original glosses, Like Literally or So, it's like Literally and So Cute. I have all three of them, so this one is also gonna go into the giveaway, and that retails for, I believe they're $15, so, and that is the color Literally. So you guys are gonna have like so much goodies in there. Okay, so this is our last item. I'm gonna cut it open. See what we got. It's little, she's very little. Dirty Little Secret eyeshadow. Oh, is this a single shadow? I'll open it to see it, but I'm not gonna like open the actual container. So it looks like I'm almost certain that's been swatched. If you look here, you're not gonna be able to catch this on camera. Look at it. If you look right here, that's been swatched. You can tell because it's not a cohesive, smooth texture. Right here smooths down a little bit like it's been touched. So that's gonna go in the trash. That's kind of upsetting that I did get 2 items that were opened and this one has most definitely been swatched. So I don't know about that. Like I feel like if you're gonna send makeup to somebody, it probably shouldn't be stuff that you've put your hands on or opened just because it's not very hygienic. So these 2 items are gonna be trashed, and this Dirty Little Secrets one retails for $12, and it's in the shade bronze, which is, it's pretty, but unfortunately I cannot give it away because it's been swatched and I don't know who's been swatching it. So, all right, so just to recap everything that I got, it was a total retail value of $330.99. And it looks like this mask was actually one of the items and it's $3. And then it also looks like the extras she had put down here at the bottom, the samples, the Jeffree Star pop socket. So I do honestly believe that I got a decent amount for $100. I really did. So I am, for myself, so for the $100, I'm getting a Kylie High Shine Lip Gloss, I'm getting a Dose of Colors Matte Lipstick, I'm getting a Stila Shadow, a Becca Lip Gloss, 2 new eyeshadow palettes, the Wava and Dominique Cosmetics, a new eyebrow set, and then a bunch of samples and a mask. So would I say... And then obviously the giveaway stuff, yes, but for me, because I do have so much makeup, like this is just kind of the game, is I knew that there were gonna be quite a few things that I already have, so that kind of sucks, but I'm excited that I got it. I do think it's well worth it. This is the stuff that's gonna be in the giveaway. So we have a Kylie Literally Gloss, we have a Iconic London Illuminator drop, so we have a Living Hank and Henry palette, we have an Ace Beauty palette, so I might be doing more than one giveaway. And then we have the Jeffree Star pop socket going in there, and then the makeup bag going in there as well. So I do believe that I got $100, well over $100 worth of makeup. I do believe it was worth it. These 2 things right here actually have completely like strayed me from buying from her again. She was very sweet. She was very amazing. Good customer service, but you sent me stuff that's been opened, and that I'm not okay with because that's just gross. So I definitely give it a thumbs up. I was excited. I'm probably gonna get another one. If you guys want to see me open more of these makeup mystery boxes, then please comment below and thumbs up this video and I will get you more of these out as soon as I can. So guys, that is it for today's video, and as always, I hope you enjoyed. I hope you have a good one, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.